And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the WBR tag. It's a version of the line break, the BR tag, but in this case it defines an opportunity for line break, so there's a difference between WBR and BR. Let me just type some letters right here into paragraph. Let me refresh it and it should be long enough. I resize the window and you can see it's all in one line. Now I'll add the WBR right here, opening and closing. I'll put some text inside. Let me just write, here is a potential line break. I refresh it. And now it has created a line break right here. And if I resize the window, it gets adjusted responsively. So everything before and after it is treated as one line, depending on the size of the browser. And the difference compared to the BR tag, let me get rid of the W here. The BR tag always gives you a line break, and the WBR only does so when it fits the browser window. So WBR is for responsive line breaks and BR is not. And this is how you can use this WBR tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.